Witness the monumental journey of the giant red Faun Arbogui, expertly transported by a manned tractor. This heavy-duty engineering marvel, built to handle the most massive loads, has a staggering gross vehicle weight of up to 600 tons and an impressive width of 4.5 meters. Experience the awe-inspiring power and scale of transport engineering at its best. In Vietnam, farmers use heavily modified tractors to transport massive logs through some of the toughest terrain imaginable. What's crazy is just how much weight these small tractors can handle, but these roads are brutal. Getting stuck like this? Just another day on the job for these haulers. But this one looks extra tricky. The ground is way too slanted. Can they pull it off? Or have they just given themselves even more work to do? Let's find out. The Cat D11 dozer is a powerhouse in the world of construction equipment, capable of shifting up to 230,000 pounds of material in a single pass. With its 850 horsepower engine and a massive 24-foot wide blade, it dominates large-scale earth-moving and mining operations. Its advanced control system enhances precision, ease of use, and reduces operator training time. Built to conquer the toughest terrains and handle the heaviest workloads, the D11 stands as an indispensable machine for the most demanding projects. When Heron and BPE Construction joined forces, they unleashed the power of the Liebherr R 9250 Super Long Reach Excavator, a true titan of the construction world. This massive machine, built for extreme tasks, boasts extraordinary reach and unmatched durability, tackling jobs that most equipment simply can't handle. Its extended boom allows access to areas unreachable by standard excavators, making it the perfect choice for complex construction projects. Reinforced for strength and engineered for precision, the Liebherr R 9250 transforms heavy-duty work into a finely tuned performance, pushing the boundaries of modern construction technology. And here's another example of how things can go horribly wrong when a ramp isn't properly secured. This guy, casually smoking a cigarette, decides to load his four-wheeler onto a trailer using a barely attached ramp. Let's see how this goes. Oh no, you cannot stop like that, dude. That's just asking for trouble. The Hitachi ZX670 is an unstoppable earth-moving beast, engineered for the most demanding excavation challenges. With its thunderous power, relentless hydraulic force, and razor-sharp precision, this mechanical giant rips through rock, soil, and debris like a true titan. Whether dominating quarries or conquering demolition sites, the ZX670 is a symphony of brute strength and cutting-edge technology. A true monster of the construction world. Ever wondered how massive logs get transported without the need for endless trucks? Well, this is the process of log dumping into the water. Meet the Hercules 3, a powerful log-dumping barge known for its speed and capacity. Instead of using expensive transport vehicles, logs are floated directly to sawmills, processing plants, or storage areas, saving both time and money. But that's not all. Water actually helps preserve the logs by preventing them from drying out or cracking, keeping them in top condition until they're processed. Gravity does all the unloading work, and nature takes care of the rest. Now, that's efficiency. Sometimes, drifting can actually help you make a quick turn with a Caterpillar 740, boosting work efficiency. And let's be honest, it looks badass. But would I recommend it? Absolutely not. One wrong move, and you'll be sliding straight into disaster. It's cool to watch, but probably best left to the pros. One of the most innovative and powerful wheel loaders available today is the new XC9350. This electrically driven machine boasts the largest lifting capacity in its class, along with energy recovery, efficiency, and significant energy savings. Weighing approximately 150 tons and equipped with an 18 cubic meter bucket, the XC9350 is specifically designed to support 130 to 200-ton mining dump trucks. It is primarily used in open-pit mining operations for short-distance loading and transportation, ensuring high productivity and reduced environmental impact. Now, this is what true skill looks like. Watch as this pro operator loads his Bobcat skid steer loader onto a flatbed without a ramp. First, he positions the Bobcat at the base of the truck bed and uses the bucket as a lever, lifting the front wheels off the ground like a pro stunt driver. With perfect balance, he slowly maneuvers the rear wheels onto the flatbed, using precise control until the entire Bobcat is safely on board. McElroy's largest machine, the Talon 2000, introduces a revolutionary method for welding large-diameter thermoplastic pipes, which are increasingly in demand. This self-propelled vehicle has a unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them seamlessly from joint to joint along the pipeline. It features a high-speed facing machine and a motorized indexer, ensuring precise and safe positioning of the heater and facing machine within the welding apparatus. A proper ramp is essential for safely unloading an excavator from a trailer. But when a ramp isn't available, operators have to get creative. Watch as this guy uses a chain attached to the excavator's arm to carefully control its descent to the ground. Looks smooth, right? But let's be real, this is not safe. If that chain snaps, it could seriously injure anyone nearby. Sometimes improvising is impressive, but safety should always come first. In April 2017, at Port Garden Pier in Nagoya, the grab dredger Gosho, operated by Kajima Gumi Company, made headlines once again during an event organized by Japan's Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. Gosho demonstrated its unparalleled capabilities by lifting an enormous volume of water, securing a prestigious place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest dredger in the world. With its remarkable power in handling both water and soil, this engineering marvel cemented its status as a record-breaking machine, pushing the boundaries of modern dredging technology. And here's a perfect example of what not to do. Driving a tractor hauler straight into deep sand. With no traction, the rear wheels get completely stuck, leaving the driver helpless as the front wheels lift off the ground. Even an excavator comes in to help. But nope, nothing works. Some say this tractor is still stuck to this day. The XCMG XC 4000. A 400-ton large-tonnage mining excavator is a true powerhouse in the world of heavy-duty excavation. Introduced in 2021, this massive machine is designed for ultra-large mining operations, delivering exceptional digging power, efficiency, and durability. Equipped with advanced hydraulics and a high-performance engine, the XE4000 ensures maximum productivity while maintaining fuel efficiency. The Caterpillar CAT 994 front loader is one of the largest wheel loaders in the world, designed to work with dump trucks that have payload capacities of 150, 200, and 250 tons. This massive machine weighs 239 tons and is powered by a turbocharged CAT 3516E diesel engine, delivering an impressive 1,847 horsepower. Caterpillar has focused on reducing operating costs by incorporating advanced features such as an innovative air filter design, which triples engine life and extends the oil change interval by 500 engine hours. Additionally, all the truck's lighting fixtures use long-lasting, energy-efficient LED lights, ensuring better visibility and lower maintenance costs. With its power, efficiency, and durability, the CAT 994 is a dominant force in heavy-duty mining and large-scale material handling operations. Have you ever wondered what it looks like inside a cargo airplane? Well, here's how they load and position each cargo container with absolute precision. A roller conveyor system, equipped with rollers and ball transfer units, allows workers to effortlessly slide and maneuver heavy loads into place. Once locked in, the cargo is secured to prevent movement during flight, because trust me, you don't want anything shifting mid-air. Oof! That worker needs to be a bit more careful next time. Hopefully she didn't hurt herself there. Safety first.